Hi everyone, it's Gayle. I am here with my Tracie Fox design team project. She is Love Junk Journals on Etsy. Of course, I will have her linked below straight to her Etsy shop. So I worked on a autumn journal. I used the kids' Sweet Harvest and Splendid Nature to do this particular journal. So this journal has a leather cover in kind of a, I don't even know how to describe the color. It's sort of peachy, sort of light rust. I don't know. The cover, I did one of the photo mats inspired by Andrea at Artie Mays, and it's tied up with rust colored sari silk, and of course got all sorts of wonderful fall elements. Let's zero you in and we'll look at the pages here. This little piece is from the kit, and then I just decoupage napkins and did some layering here and there. So, okay, so on the inside, I've got a beautiful gold suede cover pocket, and then some fun buggy fabric because there are bugs in the kit. This was a piece that I'd done a while ago. It says Wander here, and it's envelope and then attached over here to, let's see, I've got paper, scrapbook paper and coffee dyed paper, and a picture. I think that picture might be from my friend Eve Spade. So that piece is in the front pocket, and then we get into the beautiful papers, and there are papers from both kits. I think this one's Splendid Nature, and then I'll try and show you this Sweet Harvest when I get to it. So we've got a tag with a pocket in here in this coffee dyed filter. Got a couple of fun little altered playing card and a tag in there in the pocket. And oops. Oh my goodness, Gayle. Good job showing the showing the kit. Oh goodness. Okay, so this little part right here, this little circle, comes with the kit. Some more of the papers, some coffee dyed with lace, another one of the little circles that comes with the kit, and I've just made a tuck spot that little journal card goes into. This comes with the kit, and it's on a little flip out page. This is the Sweet Harvest kit, and it's kind of grid paper with image. There's some words in the background. Super pretty. And then this one, the Splendid Nature. So lots of journaling space in this particular journal. We've got a fabric flip here, a little Edith Holden page from fall. And just, I mean, I thought these kits looked great together. So that was fun. Little coffee dyed doily from A Tattered Dream. And some avocado dyed paper. This little pocket has several things in it. Just a little journaling card that I had made. This is one of the tags from the kit, and then just a stamped tag that I had made, and all of those in a Crafty Irina pocket. And then we've got a fun little altered paper clip that has a little sign hanging below. So, and then some pockets from the kit. This is just a journaling card that I had collaged. Another one of the little embellishments with journaling card. And then the middle of the signature, I just loved this design. I think it's so beautiful. And I just put a tree and an acorn charm at the bottom. Pocket with journaling card. and a little pocket that I had made in my ephemera series, and then a journaling card from the kit just tucked in there. Some, once again, avocado dyed. This was a piece that was inspired by G. Kerr, and hopefully that's all the way kind of in frame, and so it just folds out, and there is one of the tea cards from the kit, a ticket from the kit. The pocket itself is made from the kit. Little tag there, and then this is from the kit. The front of the pocket is from the kit, just a little tag and back, and then a journaling card that I had collaged right there. Okay, let's get ourselves centered again. Okay, there's the doily on the other side. Some of the beautiful designs from Tracie. Edith Holden. Here is another journaling card that I had collaged, and it's in a cloth belly band with lace. And then again from the kit, some pockets from the kit, and I've just put two little notebooks in there. So again, making more journaling space. So pretty. Then this, again, this strip came from the kit, and I put it on the flip out. Another one of the little journaling cards that goes in the tuck there. And then at the back, I just got a little sack with a paper pad that we made in our ephemera making. And then this is a little journaling card. This is a napkin that's been decoupaged on it. So spot to journal there. And then at the back, we have another suede pocket in this beautiful green. And this little ephemera piece that it's got a little tag at the top here that tucks down in this pocket. And then it opens up for more journaling at the end. So that's my Tracie Fox Love Junk Journals design team project. And go over and check out Tracie's designs. I love every single one of them, and I had so much fun working with the fall kits. It was great. So thank you, Tracie. Thank you, everybody, for watching. This journal will be going to a friend, so won't be available, but I wanted to share it with you so you could just see what I done on the inside. Thanks, everybody, so much for watching, and we'll just see you in the next video. Have a grateful day. Bye-bye.